Good afternoon. The Central Bank of Uzbekistan has released the real estate market analysis for the third quarter of 2025. According to the report, over 229,000 real estate transactions were registered between January and September, which is 12.8% higher compared to the same period last year. In the third quarter alone, 81,400 transactions were recorded. Across the region, the highest growth rates were observed in the Fergana Valley provinces, where the number of transactions increased by 7 to 8%. In Tashkent city, however, the growth was more modest, standing at only 1.7%. The mortgage market also showed strong activity in the third quarter. Mortgage lending volumes reached 5.6 trillion Uzbek sums, marking an increase of 14.9% compared to the last year. The outstanding mortgage portfolio of commercial banks rose by nearly 17%, while households' real income grew by 8.4%, driving sustained demand for housing. Turning to price dynamics, housing prices in the national currency grew at a relatively moderate pace. However, the growth in USD terms was more pronounced. In the primary market, the price of apartments increased by 2.4% in Uzbek sums and 5.5% in USD. In the secondary market, prices rose by 1.8% in the national currency and 5% in USD. The rental market became more active in the third quarter, especially in August and September when seasonal demand intensified. As of September, rental prices in Tashkent city had increased by 5.4% year-on-year in USD, while the nationwide rental index rose by 8.4%. This reflects rising demand and the market's gradual movement toward equilibrium. You can read the full analysis of the real estate market on the official website of the Central Bank.